Welcome to the new episode of JF Motorcycles, Independent Motorcycle Reviews, and today I have another good news. I would say I just got this amazing Kawasaki Z900RS for the long-term review. It's supposed to be about 3 weeks. I will have it, and I plan to do about maybe 5,000 kilometers on it. So that's sort of a big thing. Because to be honest, as you probably know, I'm the owner of the Yamaha XSR 900, and it's just one of the best bikes I have ever had. And any other bike I'm trying to compare it with, the Yamaha is always, for me, in almost all cases, the winner. The engine is just so great, the suspension, the sound and everything. I like that the neo retro design and everything. And this is the only bike which could be, in my eyes, the real competitor of the Yamaha, and in some disciplines probably better. So what we're gonna do today is that in this video I would like to show you the unboxing, which I was the part of today. It's not anything super fancy, because the bike is almost ready to ride when you unpack it or when you put the box out, and then I can tell you a few information about today's first 200 kilometers on the bike. So let's do the unboxing first. So after we did the unboxing last week, the dealer did the first 1,000 kilometers and changed the oil. So I have now, the bike ready for the service and for my long-term review. Again, as I said, I would like to do about maybe 3,000 to 5,000 kilometers, and it's up to you whether you want me to do the review and comparison with the Yamaha, but I would really love to do it. So let me know in comments if you want me to do it. First of all, these two bikes, when we look at them, this one has a little bit more displacement, actually about 100 cc more. They have the same horsepower, but of course 4-cylinder and 3-cylinder will be very interesting to see which one will be better. One thing, so today I did about first 200 kilometers, so first few observations. The suspension so far works so great when I ride it alone, 113 kilometers. The bike, 113 kilos. The bike also feels a little bit more heavier, of course. It is heavier and bigger and more classic with the classic speedo and tacho. That's very interesting for me. I really like the design of it, and the sound is another strong point of the bike, because just from the box, outside of the just taking the bike from the factory, the sound is just enough for me, and I like the color of the sound and I like how loud it is, and I think it's absolutely okay. And this is one of these bikes which doesn't need to have the aftermarket exhaust, at least from my point of view. So let's try. So some people say that, or think that this bike is the Z900RS is almost identical with Z900, only with different ergonomy and different fuel map or something like that, and the engine map. But it's not true. It's supposed to be like 90% of parts changed. Only the crankshaft is the same in the engine. Everything else is different, and not only the design, which should look like the air-cooled engine. It's not just the difference, but there are differences in all parts of the engine, all parts of the, there is much better suspension, better brakes. By the way, these brakes made by Tokiko, they are the same as you can find on the H2SX, the bike which can do more than 300 kilometers per hour, and the brakes is another very strong point of the bike. The lights is another great news, you know, way better than on the Yamaha. But this is probably something I should do in the other video with the Yamaha XSR. So this is just a short introduction. Let me know what you think about this bike, and mainly let me know which questions you want me to answer, and I will do it hopefully in about 2 or 3 weeks here on YouTube in one separate Q&A video, or I will try to do it in the main review. So thank you very much for watching my unboxing and first couple of impressions from the Kawasaki Z900RS, and I'm looking forward to seeing you at my other next videos. Goodbye.